Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So Huawei launched their Mate 40 series and we talking our previous video of the Huawei Mate 40 and another video of Huawei Mate 40 Pro and the Pro Plus. In this video we're talking about the Porsche design, which is the Porsche Design Huawei Mate 40 RS has bespoke exterior by the famous design from its also came in a ceramic white and ceramic black too, but there is no chance you will confuse it with a Pro Plus. That's because Porsche Design choose a rounded octagonal look for the camera island as always, as a vertical strip running down the middle, something of the trademark of PD phones is present once more. The RS model gets the best memory configuration, 12 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes storage, but keep in mind that this is the luxury product, which is way to carry luxurious 2300 price tag. So now talking about the specification, Huawei Porsche is coming with a 5G connectivity and it has a nano SIM hybrid dual SIM as well, and 6.76 inch big screen, 1344 by 2772 pixel, 18.5 by 9 aspect ratio, 456 ppi density. It's come with Android 10 EMUI 11 and no Google service. It has the Kirin 9000 5G 5nm chipset, octa-core 3.13 GHz Cortex A77 and Cortex A55 male G78 MP24, and it come with a one storage configuration which is 512 gigabytes and 12 gigabytes of RAM. It has come with a 5 cameras, 50 megapixel wide. It has a omnidirectional PDF laser autofocus and 12 megapixel f2.4 telephoto, and it has 3x optical zoom. The 8 megapixel f4.4 has a panoscope telephoto which is 10x optical zoom. Another one is the ultra wide 20 megapixel f1.8 mh, and the last one is the TUF 3D sensor. It can record 4K at 60 fps video recording and 720p at 3840 fps. The front facing also has two cameras, 13 megapixel f2.4 and TUF 3D camera. It has a 4K at 30 fps video recording as well. So another good feature of the smartphone, it has a Face ID fingerprint reader. Now talking about the battery, it has a 4400 mAh battery with fast charging 66 watt and fast wireless charging 50 watt. It has also a reverse wireless charging 5 watt. It come with a ceramic white, ceramic black and maybe another collector edition. Price is 2300 euro. So this is the all information about the Huawei Mate 40 Porsche design. Let me know in the comment section, are you like this new luxurious phone, and also like the video, subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.